Monica. Today we're going on an adventure inside the 12 systems of the human body.
Oh no, I should have stayed home today.
But Miss Drizzle, we've already gone into Carlos's stomach to see why it rumbled. Can we skip the digestive system?
Oh, Janet, the digestive system is only one of many systems in the body. There's so much more to explore.
Guys, look, I found a guidebook, and it says here that there are 12 systems of the human body. Some of them are circulatory, digestive, endocrine, integumentary, lymphatic, muscular, nervous, urinary, reproductive, respiratory, and skeletal systems.
Wow! Whoa, that's a lot of systems. What do they do, Miss Drizzle?
Hold on.
Oh, it's in the book!
Okay, the cardiovascular system transports nutrients, oxygen, and hormones to cells throughout the body and removes metabolic waste. The respiratory system transports air to the lungs and facilitates the diffusion of oxygen into the bloodstream.
That's so
The
cool.
gastrointestinal system deals with digestion and absorption. The lymphatic system transports lymph. The immune system protects the body, and the endocrine system regulates the body.
Let me see. Ooh, the integumentary system acts as a barrier to protect the body from the outside world. It also retains body fluids, it protects it against disease, and eliminates waste products, and it regulates body temperature.
Wow.
The skeletal system supports the body, it protects the body, and it helps the body move. The muscular system deals with the movement, posture, and positioning of the body. And the nervous system is responsible for the control of the body and the communication among its body parts. Finally, the urinary system produces, stores, and eliminates urine.
Wow, that's so cool.
I think you're forgetting one system, which actually has 2 different types.
Really?
The reproductive system has different functions depending on if you're a male or a female. The female reproductive system produces egg cells and protects and nourishes the offspring until birth. The male reproductive system produces and deposits sperm.
Oh.
Sometimes these systems can become hurt and infected, and they get awful diseases.
Oh no, that sounds awful.
In the cardiovascular system, you can get congestive heart failure, in which the heart does not pump blood properly. In respiratory system, asthma is a common disorder, which is an inflammation of the lung airways, which leads to coughing, wheezing, shortness of breath, or chest tightness. Danny, have you had allergies?
Yeah, I'm allergic to snakes.
Well, did you know allergies are a disorder of the immune system, as they form hypersensitivity reactions in the body. Lymphadenopathy affects the lymphatic system, causing an enlargement of the lymph nodes. The gastrointestinal system can be affected by gallstones, which are hard deposits that are formed in the gallbladder. They're very painful.
Ouch, that must hurt.
Next is the integumentary system. In the integumentary system, you can have an itchy inflammation of the skin known as eczema. Arthritis is the inflammation of one or more joints, which causes pain and stiffening, and this affects the skeletal system. Muscular dystrophy affects the muscular system, which causes progressive weakness and loss of muscle mass. The nervous system can be affected by Alzheimer's disease, which destroys memory and other important mental functions. Urinary tract infection, or UTI, can affect the urinary system. This occurs when bacteria enters the urinary tract. And finally, the last system is the reproductive system.
Ew!
There are 2 types of reproductive systems, male and female. The female reproductive system can be affected by ovarian cancer, which begins in the female organs that produce eggs. On the other hand, the male reproductive system can be affected by prostate cancer, which is cancer in a man's prostate.
Ooh.
The guidebook says that most of these diseases are either preventable or temporary. That's a good thing.
Yes, many of these diseases and disorders can be preventable. For example, you can prevent UTIs by drinking a lot of water and staying hygienic. An example of a temporary disease or disorder is gallstones. Although there are many diseases and disorders that are temporary or preventable, there are many that aren't, sadly.
That's so sad.
Oh, it's okay. All this information sounds so interesting. I want to study more about this.
And you can. The study of the function of body parts and the body as a whole is called physiology, while the study of body parts visible to the naked eye is called anatomy.
My sister had a class called anatomy, and she talked about it all the time.
Wow.
Oh, really? That's great that she's taking it. You can take it in the future as well if you...
Miss Drizzle?
Miss Drizzle?
Miss Drizzle, are you okay?
Oh my gosh!
Oh my God. Miss Drizzle! Miss Drizzle! Oh my God. She dead.
What will happen to Miss Drizzle? Find out October 31st, 2018.